Good morning students. Today we have to do my practice time 7. In my practice time 7 we have to estimate the sum or difference by first rounding off the numbers to the nearest tens. To round off the numbers to the nearest tens, look for the digit at the ones place. If the digit in ones place is 5 or more than 5, then the tens digit is rounded to the next 10. If the digit in ones place is less than 5, the digit at tens place remains the same, but the digit in ones place becomes 0. This rounding off you have done in chapter 1 before my practice time 4. Now you have to revise this and see in this question. First A part is rounding off to the nearest 10. We have number 41,890 plus 31,512. See here, number at the ones place is 0. So if the number at ones place is 0, then the number at the tens place remains same and it becomes a 0. And next is it 31,512. Here number at ones place is 2, so it remains number at the tens place remains same and 2 becomes 0. Now we will sum these numbers. We will add these numbers. 0 plus 0 0, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 8 plus 9 8 plus 1 9 plus 5 14, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, 4 plus 3 7 7. So sum of these numbers is 73,400. Now I will give example of difference of this estimation. Now I am taking C part. Here we have number 28,665 minus 24,579. We have to take out the difference of these numbers by rounding off the numbers to the nearest tens. See here, in this numbers at the ones place is 5. So number at tens place becomes 7. Here it becomes 7 and number at the ones place becomes 0. It becomes 0. So next number is 24,579. Here see, the number at the ones place is 9 and it is more than 5, so it becomes 8 and it remains 0. So number this rounding off is 24,580. Now we have to take out difference. 0 minus 0 0, 17. We will borrow here. 17 minus 8 9. Now 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 4 4 and 2 minus 2 0. Now next we will do second question. Yes, next question. In next question we have to do estimate the sum or difference by first rounding of the numbers to the hundreds. For rounding of the number to the hundreds, we have to see, to round off the numbers to the nearest hundreds, look for the digit at tens place. We have to see at the number tens place. If it is 5 or more, the number gets rounded off to the next 100. If it is less than 5, the digit at 100 place does not change, but the digit at tens and ones place become 0. See here, we have number in A part 23,314 plus 14,428. Here we have to see number at tens place. It is 1, so it is less than 5, so it becomes 0 and number at ones place also remains 0. So rounded off this number is 23,300. Next number we have to sum this number 14,428. We have to round off to the nearest 100. See here, number at the tens place is 2. So it becomes 0 and number at the ones place also becomes 0. So rounded off to the 100, this number is 14,400. Now we will add these numbers. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 3 plus 4 7, 3 plus 4 7, 2 plus 1 3. Now I will give example of difference sum, estimation of difference. Now B part. See, we have number 3,12,364 minus 27,856. See here, we have to round it off to the nearest 100. Here we have to see the number at tens place. It is 6. So it will goes to the nearest next number. It will become 4 and number at the tens place and number at the ones place remains 0. So 3,12,364 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 3,12,400. And now this number 27,856. We have to round it off to the 100. Here at the tens place is 5, so it becomes 9 to the next 100, and it number at the tens place remains 0, and it also becomes 0. So rounded off to the this number 27,856, 27,900. Now we have to take out the difference. See here, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Here we have to borrow 14 minus 9, 5. Now it remains 1, 11. We have to borrow here 11 minus 7, 4. Now here 10, 10 minus 2, 8. And it left 2, 2 is minus 0 equals to 2. So difference of this number is 2,84,500. So